Today we will be testing the nature of 8 different interesting solutions, which are orange juice, lemon juice, vinegar, tomato juice, dilute HCl, NaOH solution, bottle gourd juice, and H2O. So now let us test the solution of orange juice by using a phenolphthalein indicator. Now I have added a little orange juice in a test. Now we will be adding a little bit of phenolphthalein in orange juice. Now when we mix it, now we observe that there is no change in the orange juice solution. This says that it is an acidic solution.
Now we have lemon juice over here in this beaker. First we'll take some lemon juice inside a test tube. Just a little bit more. Okay. So now we have lemon juice inside a test tube. Now we'll take some phenolphthalein indicator. Very little. And add to the lemon juice. And then we'll mix it. As we can see over here, no color change is observed, indicating that lemon juice is an acidic medium.
Now we will be adding a little bit of vinegar in a test tube. Now we will be adding phenolphthalein in this vinegar. As you see, there is no change in the color of vinegar, thus indicating the solution is acidic.
Okay, so now we'll test phenolphthalein on tomato juice. First, we'll take some tomato juice inside a test tube. Okay, so now we have taken the tomato juice inside a test tube. Now we'll be taking phenolphthalein indicator. And adding it to our tomato juice, and we'll shake it a little. As we can see over here, no color change is observed, indicating that tomato juice is an acidic medium.
Now we will be testing the nature of a lemon juice. So first we will take out a little bit of lemon juice in a test tube. Now we add a very small amount of phenolphthalein solution into it. We shake. It is observed that there is no color change taking place in the solution. Thus, we conclude that it is an acidic solution.
Now we have NaOH solution over here, which we have taken in a beaker. Now we'll add a little amount of phenolphthalein indicator. And we will give it a stir. As you can see, a pinkish color has appeared over here, indicating that NaOH solution is basic in nature.